Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin now. Combine 2 cups milk with 2 tablespoons cocoa, 2 tablespoons sugar, and a pinch of salt in a small saucepan. Use a whisk to break cocoa lumps while the milk warms. This helps dissolve cocoa evenly. Once the liquid reaches warm, about 120–130 degrees if using a thermometer, reduce heat so it never boils, because boiling ruins texture and flavor. Make sure to stir continuously. Motion prevents scorching on the pan bottom and develops a smooth base for flavor extraction. Once the mixture is smooth and warm, whisk vigorously for 1–2 minutes to fully emulsify cocoa into the milk. This creates body and prevents graininess. If you want richer hot chocolate, add 1 tablespoon butter or 1/4 cup chopped chocolate. Stir until melted so cocoa and fat bind, improving mouthfeel. Taste and adjust sweetness, then add a dash of vanilla or cinnamon for depth. Keep heat low. Simmer gently to thicken slightly. You finish by frothing the hot chocolate with a whisk or hand frother to create a silky top, then pour into a pre-warmed mug to retain heat. Garnish with whipped cream, marshmallows, or grated chocolate for texture and aroma. If the drink is too thin, simmer gently 1–2 minutes while stirring to reduce and concentrate. If it's grainy, strain through a fine sieve and whisk again to smooth. Make sure to serve immediately so heat and texture are at their best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.